Alba is a very special boat and full of light inside. We don't have any side hatches, but what we do have is 9 large windows that let a ton of light in. Some boats have portholes, the tiny round windows that are very charming. However, we specifically wanted a boat full of light when we were choosing our new home. It's coming up to 3 years of boat life. At the beginning, we didn't do much DIY at all, but slowly we moved on step by step onto bigger and bigger projects. A year ago, we upgraded the bathroom. This spring, we've taken the roof to bare metal and repainted it. And now it's time to upgrade the window frames. I don't think we could have done this 3 years ago, as we needed to gain a lot of confidence, and it was a gradual process. It didn't happen overnight, but step by steps, taking on projects that seemed impossible and then completing them helped us to gain the confidence to do 9 window frames.
Good evening and welcome to Smashing Up Alba. First on the menu is this shitty old window frame. I'm going to smash this up, and then we're going to smash that one up. And then hopefully we're going to put together 2 new windows.
Where are we going, Myers?
Your favourite shop?
We have to B&Q and Sainsbury's.
What are we getting at B&Q and Sainsbury's?
Food and materials to continue
reframing our windows.
Yes.
Traditional Sunday dinner. Well, now it's getting a bit autumnal. Fancy a roast dinner. So we're going to get a Linda McCartney joint. Have roast potatoes, Yorkshire pudding. She in for Yorkshires. Red cabbage, carrots.
I'll make the red cabbage.
Yeah. I'm going to double roast the roast potatoes. I've not done this before, but I'm going to cook them a bit first, boil them a bit first as you should. Then I might air fry them for 10-15 minutes. And then put them in the oven to roast.
Sounds good. Let's give it a go. So we've just been to the shops, brought everything back, and we are going to start on the 2 living room windows.
Need a screwdriver. We're getting handy today. I feel like I need to put a pencil in my ear. Work out if we...
The multi-tool is also really fun to use. It's low wattage, which is great for boat life, and also has a few attachments. I already know the other project I'm going to start using this tool. Once the old wooden frame is off the window, we apply silicone to the metal frame. We also glue each piece of the wood with wood glue to the frame, as well as nailing them. Is there a sticker on this one?
Oh no.
We didn't really need to do all of the windows, but as we started and realized that we can do it, we wanted to make all of them the same.
Jigsaw puzzle, isn't it?
It is. Perfect.
Yeah.
I'm so pleased with them.
There we go. Yeah, looking good.
I think we did much better than the first time.
Well, you would hope so, wouldn't you?
I am so impressed with ourselves. I think we did amazing.
Yeah.
It's really challenging to do 45-degree angles, too much them on 4 sides when nothing much is on the boat and nothing is like square or anything like that. So yeah, we did amazing. Our gas is still not been fixed, so I was having a very cold shower this morning, thinking showers at the moment is a slow form of torture, and yeah, I didn't have a very nice time. And then I saw the sunrise came out, and again it just feels so incredible to be able to see these sunrises and just be in nature. Immediately just leaving the boat. So yeah, even with the cold shower, it's still absolutely worth it. Oh well, there is even a rainbow for me. Just absolutely perfect morning.
Hi and welcome to Tool Time. I'm your host, Miles the Toolman Taylor, and this is my assistant, Marina Borland. We're doing the final window frames. I say final, it did take us 2 days to do the other 2, so doing 4 in a day is a big achievement. But we're quite good at the power tools now. Our handiwork's coming on nicely. The window frames are looking so much better.
I need a mask. So yesterday we did 2 windows and today we're aiming to do another 4. We've got a lot more time today. And halfway through the process we figured out how to streamline our time because we both can do all of the tasks. So we kind of did 2 windows together, alternating between tasks. Ooh. I'm really enjoying working with wood. Measuring, cutting, remeasuring every side multiple times to make sure that frames fit perfectly. It does add a lot of extra time, but it's worth the effort. We will be looking at these frames daily, and as some might say, the windows are the eyes of the boat, and we want Alba to look her best. We have 3 windows left to do, but we only have enough wood for 2 of them. Yesterday, when Miles and I were doing these 2 windows in the living room, Miles found a more beneficial way of cutting it, which means that we can save some of the planks and use that on the 5th window. So the challenge for today is to find spare wood from 4 windows done for the 5th one. No idea if it's going to work out, but we're going to try, and don't ask why we didn't actually get enough wood. Any wisdom to share? Have you found any useful tips?
Teamwork makes the dream work. Yeah, well, you're doing a lot of the cutting and the measuring, and I'm doing a lot of the sort of ripping and fitting. How long does it take us?
3 to 4 hours per 2 windows.
It doesn't need to be that long though, does it?
No, but there is a light switch to move, and there is something else to clean, and there's there's all this other.
You don't want to rush it, because if you rush it and it looks crap, you've got it crap forever, you know.
Yeah. The other reason we're not rushing it is because all of the windows are different, and each side is different, and one side is like 51 and another will be 51.2. So it's really important for us to stop and measure and only cut one side and then try on the other side. So there's a double or triple measuring going on. That's why it's also taking longer than you think, I guess. But it's still not too long. I'm enjoying it. I'm actually enjoying it. I really enjoyed using the machinery. My new favourite tool.
Good fun, isn't it?
It is good fun. Oh, I have a small tip to share that we haven't thought of before. We only thought of it on day 3. If 2 of you doing it, then have double of everything. So double measuring tape, double pencils, double angles, or stuff like that. So that makes the work a lot easier. I guess we are also working in 2 different rooms, so outside, inside. We don't have to run around too much to get a thing we need. We're so lucky we don't have any portholes. I wouldn't have had a clue how to change the frames for those ones.
Two more to do today.
Yeah.
Get smashing and dashing and...
Roast dinner next.
Yep, roast dinner next.
Motivated by food in life, really.
It's 4 o'clock now. I reckon we'll put it on at
6.
Yeah, something like that.
Now we have experience in window demolishing. These 2 are going to be a breeze, especially doing it together. Feels so good to get rid of the old and make space for the new. Doing the windows on the boat made me think about how people live in vans and then they upgrade their vans, you know, maintenance, stuff like that every year or 2 years. So on the boat we can live on Alba and make upgrades at the same time. We don't really have to move out unless we really want to. So it's doable to have a project and live in it. And I'm not sure, I haven't got an experience, but I'm not sure this is possible for those who live in vans. If you do, let me know. Would be good to hear. Almost there. We only have 4 sides to do. Basically just need to do 45-degree angles and then we're done. Obviously we haven't done any varnishing, but that's okay, that's a job for another day. But we're so tired and exhausted. 45-degree angles is not the job to be doing when just so tired. It requires a lot of precision and a steady hand. So really happy to be finishing and incredibly happy with the result. The windows are looking just 10 times better. So much better. They look amazing. This is going to be our first roast dinner of the season. I cannot be more excited.
What we got here? Roast dinner, babe.
Don't forget the scraps. Yesterday Miles varnished all 8 windows.
I look like a new boat. I did a good job of these, didn't I? Didn't we? Give us a call if you need some new window frames. £1 million a window.
We need to do 2 coats, so today I'm going to re-varnish them and hopefully that is all done for these 8 windows. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Big thanks to everyone who watches every week, to those who watch us to the end and comment every week on our videos. Also, a huge thank you to our Patreon family for supporting us no matter what. If you would like to see bonus videos, join our Zoom calls, get a sticker of Alba and many other perks, join us on Patreon. The link is below. Sending you all our love. See you in the next one.